Kickstart your cybersecurity career with a one-of-a-kind course. Explore over 85 hands-on labs and a performance-based exam. Enhance your skills with Capture the Flag challenges. Carve out your niche in the cybersecurity domain. Introducing EC Council's Certified Cybersecurity Technician (CCT) certification. Get hands-on training in the skills essential for entry-level careers in IT and cybersecurity. The CCT offers a multidisciplinary cybersecurity education that encompasses network defense, ethical hacking, digital forensics, security operations. The curriculum of the CCT gives you a rock-solid foundation in core cybersecurity concepts and skills, preparing you to explore a variety of cybersecurity roles: network administration, penetration testing, security operations, and more. Take the first step toward an entry-level role in cybersecurity. Register now.